Hi friends, Kristen McLean here again. I wanted to do a little bit of mealworm fun again with you today. So we've got our lovely little friends bag, our mealworms. We're going to be taking them out of here in a little bit to do our investigation. If you would like to do this one along with us today, you are welcome to click the link under the description of the video and print this off or pull it up on your computer. If you don't want to and you just want to watch, that's fine too. All right, so what we're going to look at today is we're going to try to find out if our mealworm friends, not the beetles, just the mealworms, if they prefer one color over another. So we're going to need some materials. We're going to need a box to hold our mealworms. We're going to have 20 mealworms in this box with some of their oats. We need 2 different color papers. So we're going to see if they prefer black or if they prefer white. We're going to need some tape to tape down our paper so that we don't have any escape artists. And then we need a spoon to kind of help get them out. And then we're going to need a timer because after we get it all set up, we're going to leave them in there for 3 hours. And then we're going to take off the paper to see if they have moved towards one color or another. So we're going to collect our data and draw a conclusion based on what we see. So Trey has magically appeared here with our timer. He's going to use his gizmo watch to set up our 3-hour timer because our science tools are very important. So Trey, our question is, do our mealworms prefer one color over another, black or white? So let's come up with a hypothesis. If I put 20 mealworms under 2 different color paper, what do we think is going to happen?
It's more white or black.
You think, which one do you think, Trey? And then Helen's going to tell us.
I think that they'll just go to either one because I don't think they really care what the color.
Okay, so Trey thinks that if we test them under black paper and white paper that they won't prefer one over the other. Kellen, what do you think?
Maybe that or white or that.
Do you think, you'll think they'll get mixed up? Do you think that they might like black or white or both?
Maybe both.
Both. Okay, so both my boys think that the color isn't really going to matter. They're just going to kind of mix up and go underneath inside the box. All right, so let's get this set up and find out.
Ow!
All right, so we've got our box here and our mealworms. So we are going to use a spoon to scoop out only the mealworms and some of their oats, and we're going to count them out. Trey, how many do we have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ooh, 11. There's some baby ones.
Okay, we need 9 more.
I see 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so we are going to spread them out in the box very nicely. Kellen's got a little theme song going on. So we got them all spread out in the box. So we have 20. I'm going to say approximately 20 because we did our best to count, but some of these guys are really little. All right, so now we are going to take our black construction paper and place it over one half, and our white construction paper and place it over the other half. How are we supposed to see them? Such a good question. How long are we going to leave them under here, Trey? What did we say?
5 minutes.
Not 5 minutes. We're going to do 3 hours. Okay, we want to make sure that we have accurate data. Good question. Why, Kellen asked? So we're going to tape this down so that they cannot escape, because we learned from our mealworm races that some of these guys are actually very, very fast and very good at escaping. We learned Fat Joe and Little Hobby Kid TV were super fast. All right, so once we get this taped down, it does look like a present. Oh yeah, black and white present with mealworms inside. So Trey is going to start our timer right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Our 3-hour timer has begun. So be thinking about what do you think is going to happen. If you're using this sheet of paper, then you can write down your hypothesis right here, or you can just tell brother, sister, mom, dad, dog, cat, yourself in the mirror, and we'll check back in 3 hours to find out what will happen. See you in a little bit. So me and Kellen are going to practice some counting, and we're going to do our before picture of what the mealworms looked like in the food before the 3 hours started.
Whoa.
All right, here's a crayon, cowbell. All right, show me how to hold it right. So this is after, so we're going to do before. So let's draw 20 mealworms in the bottom of the box.
Let me know for that.
You can do it. That's perfect. So 1.
No, wait there.
Okay, that's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. That's a long one. All right, do 9.
9.
9.
No, this is 9.
That's 9. We need 20. So draw 10.
Wow! I both fall.
You're gonna fall. So we're gonna keep drawing our mealworms in the bottom of our box, and then in 3 hours when we open it back up, we'll draw over here what they look like at the end. This is how we're collecting our data today. This is called quantitative data because we're collecting numerical data, but we're using sketching and drawing.
Yeah, no, I do. Our timer has gone off.
Our timer has gone off, friends. So we are going to open up our little mealworm container. Hold on, Trey, so that you guys can all see. All right, and my boys are here. They've got their documents here. They've done their before, and they're getting ready to do their after. So they're going to draw, hold on, Trey, what it looks like after we open it up. And I hope you do too.
I made poop at one.
All right, so we're going to cut the tape.
Why?
Open it. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see.
Wait, I didn't
So,
I didn't see in there.
you think Hobby Kid's in here too? You think Hobby Kid and Fat Joe are both inside? Oh, okay.
Escape artist.
Oh, there is one that tried to escape on the white side. So I know this is hard for you guys to see, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mealworms on the left side, or the black part. So let's draw 12 mealworms under our black paper. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 underneath the white side of the paper. Kellen's trying to get that little guy back in there. There he goes. Be careful. Okay. You did. And I think I missed one on the black side. There's one more over here. So 13 under the black paper. And we said 7 under the white paper.
I had 5 more.
You drew 5 more, so you got to draw under the black paper there were 13, and under the white paper there were 7. I'm going to try to let you guys get an up-close view here. Mealworms. They really buried themselves under their oats there. All right, so what do we think? Do mealworms prefer one color over another? I can claim that more mealworms went to the black paper. My evidence is that there were 13 mealworms under the black side and 7 mealworms under the white. And reasoning, I'm not sure. I might want to research more about that. I might want to find out, where do mealworms normally live? Why would they prefer black paper over white paper? I don't know. Okay, so check back in tomorrow for some more mealworm fun. Me and the boys will pick something that we think that you guys might like. And stay safe, stay healthy. Kellen, you want to say anything?
Buy ice cream.
Buy ice cream.
I'm gonna